Hi, welcome back. This video is not going to be a 5 to Thrive because I wanted to do healing sounds with some actual movement, and there's just no way to do it in 5 minutes. So I'm not going to give a lot of explanation on what the healing sounds are. I did a previous video where I actually went more in depth into each of the healing sounds and what kind of things they helped heal. I'm going to post that link in the comment section of this video. So if you have not watched that, I would recommend going back and watching that at some point, whether it's before or after this video, just so you have a better understanding of what you're doing. This is a really good practice to do throughout the week or even every day, especially if you have a specific ailment that you're trying to overcome. So let's go ahead and get started. There's 6 sounds even though there's 5 elements. So the first element is going to have the sound of the S. It's for the lungs and it's the next sound, the lungs feed into the kidneys, and the kidney sound is so it's like you're blowing out a candle, but there's a sound in front. After that, it goes to the liver sound, which is an SH, followed by the heart sound, which is an HA. Then we have the spleen, which is kind of a guttural throat sound. It's kind of like a Darth Vader sound. So you're going to breathe out with a W and then the last one, which is not part of the 5 elements but is part of the system, the healing system, is the triple warmer, which is your flight and flight response. And that is going to be the sound of HE. So I will give you more info as we go, and I'll walk you through that. But I just wanted to give you a heads up of what to expect because we're going to be doing that in that order for each of these moves. So the first one we're going to do is called spinal cord breathing. And so you're going to have your hands up like this, and you're going to arch your back a little bit, not forcefully, just relaxed back and look up and breathe in. And when you come back, you're going to open your hands as if you're squeezing all that air out, and you're going to make the sound. So it's going to look like this. You're going to round your back. You're not bending your knees, you're not hinging at the waist, you're rounding your back and tucking your tailbone. So you're going to do this and then make the S sound. Let's do it one more time. Breathe in. And then we'll go to the kidney sound. One more time. Liver. And the heart sound. Picture gray, cloudy air coming out as you're making the sound. Then we're going to go to the spleen. And the triple warmer. Relax. It may not feel like you're doing a lot, but you actually are. You're moving a lot of negative energy out of your body while you're doing that. And these can be very, very healing exercises for any kind of chronic condition that you might be facing, especially when it's paired with the light meditation that we'll do at the end. We'll just do it briefly, but you can do it for longer on your own. So the next move that we're going to do is called Phoenix washes its feathers. And this one is an interesting one. You're going to do 3 sips in, you're going to go, and you're not going to let out your breath until you push forward and you make a sound. And then you're going to close your fist and you make 3 sips in through your nose, and then you're going to make the next sound. So it's 3 sips up and then sound, 3 sips back, sound. And we're going to go through the whole sequence. So it's going to be lungs, kidneys, and then back up, and then we'll go to the next two. Okay, so hands round in front of you and sip up. Close your fists. Sip up. The next one we're going to do, put your hands on your thighs like this. You're going to make a circle with your chin. You're going to bend your knees and roll back up. And you're going to inhale on the roll up. As you come down, you're going to make the sound. And then you're going to roll back up and go to the next sound. So we're going to do just one of each of the sounds with this one. So the first one is the S sound. So bend and roll back up. Liver or kidney sound. And we'll go through them one more time. There you go. The last one we're going to do is called shaking. So you're just going to bounce into your knees a little bit, pump your arms, and relax your whole body. And see if you can get a little bit of a deeper shake to get the energy flowing. And go ahead and start with the S sound. And relax. Okay, now we're going to do the color meditation. So we're going to go over each of those points. Breathe in deep and into your belly, and you're going to focus on a color that is associated with that organ. So the first one is the lungs. So your hands are not touching the body, but they're going to come just away from your chest area. And you're going to close your eyes and imagine white healing light coming from your hands and just surrounding your whole body and touching everything that the lungs breathe in and send throughout the body. So just white healing light from the top of your head down to your feet. But that you're sending that light in through your hands to the lungs. Okay, and then this one you can touch the body. Go ahead and put your hands on your kidney area in your back. And you breathe deep, and you're going to breathe in bright blue light to that area. So send it in through your hands, and then from there, have it just shoot through your whole body. And you can even just picture it going out and around in a big blue dome if you want. And then next we come to the liver. Place your hands, not touching the body, just over your right side of the ribs. And breathe in green healing light. Now, when we make the sounds, we're purging and strengthening your energy. You're purging the bad energy and strengthening what you have. And then the colors, is tonifying the energy. It's bringing it to its highest level of vibration. Each of the organs has its own vibration that it matches with, and the colors are what is closely associated with that vibration. And you want to make sure that when you're visualizing the color, it doesn't matter what shade necessarily, it just matters that it's bright. Bright is healing. If you're thinking of dark, dull colors, then that's not a very healing, high energy color. Okay, from the liver we go to the heart, so hands right over the left side of your chest. Breathe in bright red light. And obviously the heart is one of the most important organs of the body. It pumps the blood through everything. So just picture red light through every cell of your body, just tonifying and clarifying and healing every aspect of your body. And then down to your spleen, which is on the left side, right at the bottom of your rib cage. Just breathe in bright yellow light. And not super light like a yellow butter, but like a sunshine yellow. For the triple warmer, since it's not actually an organ, it's your whole nervous system and your fight or flight system, what I'm going to have you do is you're going to bring your hands up overhead, and you're going to imagine purple light just penetrating every cell of your body. It's just going to come down in waves as you breathe out. Just visualize your body just completely wrapped up in this purple light. Inhale as you bring your arms up, and exhale and bring the purple light with your hands, washing over your whole body. Breathe deep into your belly. That also helps to calm the nervous system. Let's do one more. Bring your hands over your belly, feet together, and just breathe deep and let that energy settle. There you go. I hope you feel better after doing that. It always makes me feel very relaxed and calm.